coming in. Rhea Chakrabarti has been taken into the NCB custody. So the NCB officials have taken her into the custody. Now she'll be taken for her medical tests, Atar.
Absolutely. This is the big news of the day, Rhea. As reported earlier by Times Now, the arrest was imminent. Custody has been taken. She will now be taken to a medical, for a medical test at most likely a government hospital. The NCB takes custody of Rhea. We'll know the details, Swati, of exactly what they're taking her into custody for in just a bit. As our colleagues have been telling us, there is a possibility of perhaps the NCB officials coming out and telling us exactly what's happening. Bhavtosh Singh with the details. Bhavtosh, what can we tell our viewers at this point?
Well, Times Now has confirmed information that Rhea Chakrabarti, former partner of Sushant Singh Rajput, has been taken into custody by the NCB. Our colleagues Priyank as well as Siddhant have already told us that the formal procedure of arresting has started. In fact, the arrest memo is being prepared. It's just a matter of few hours before NCB formally announced her arrest. She will be the 8th person to be arrested in this case. Her brother arrested by the NCB. His custody gets over tomorrow. Most likely, she will be produced via video conferencing before a concerned Chief Metropolitan Magistrate in Mumbai. But we can confirm Rhea Chakrabarti, Bollywood actor and former partner of Sushant Singh Rajput, is now in the custody of the NCB. A statement was a voluntary statement being recorded under Section 67 CPCS Act. For past 2 days, she could not answer a few questions earlier in the day. She had those questions. These questions whether any kind of drug was ever brought to her house, it was treated house in Mumbai. Second most important question was whether drug was
Bhavtosh,
consumed.
you're not very audible right now, but stay on with us. Let me go across to Priyank at this point in time. Priyank, Rhea Chakrabarti has been taken into custody. That's the big development coming in at this point in time. It'll be important to know the charges that are slapped against her.
Yes, Swati, that's a big breaking which we are bringing for viewers on Times Now, that Rhea Chakrabarti has been taken into custody. The paperwork is going on at this particular office of Narcotic Control Bureau. These are the sections which are related to the recovery which has been made by the Enforcement Directorate over a period of time. What we were telling to our viewers, that the Enforcement Directorate got information from the ED which had recovered the chat detail of Rhea Chakrabarti, and now she has been put in under custody of the NCB. The next thing which we can tell you to our viewers, that Rhea Chakrabarti will be soon taken out from this particular building. She'll be taken to the hospital where the formality of the medical legal certificate will be done. But she won't be produced before the court today. That is what we are getting to note from our sources. What our sources have also been telling us, that the NCB have sufficient proof to charge Rhea Chakrabarti once she is arrested. So we don't see any likeliness that the NCB will try to seek police custody of Rhea Chakrabarti. It will be totally decided up to the court that whether the court wants her to be sent to the judicial custody or the court wants her to be given bail. So from this particular building, Swati, what we can tell you, that very soon Rhea Chakrabarti is expected to come out around 4:15 to 4:30. This is what we are getting to know, that when she will be stepping out with the NCB officials. The NCB has confirmed it to us that she has been taken into custody. It's just a matter of few signatures in the paper which will be submitted before the court to show the official formality.
Right.
What NCB has been saying.
Stay on with us. Siddhant and Vivek Narayan also joining us now from the studio. Tamal Saha also on the broadcast. Vivek, quickly to you first. Things are coming to a head, some sort of a head at least. And it was very clear the inconsistencies highlighted by Times Now, the chats that involve the mention of drugs. It was a matter of time before those twists and turns and U-turns could in fact unravel various versions of what Rhea said. That's exactly what has happened. That's why the NCB is taking her custody today.
Precisely, Atar. It's the involvement of NCB officials, the fact that they got a string of chats between Sushant, between Rhea, her brother, between prominent drug peddlers and even drug dealers across Mumbai. It is that conversation that Times Now had exclusively shown over the past 1 week, which is probably leading to this arrest. It's quite clear that she was doing drugs. It was quite clear that she and her brother were procuring drugs and perhaps even giving it to Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, these are very serious allegations Now, when confronted with these chats, she's had to admit to usage of drugs. Whether she has admitted to distributing drugs, whether her brother has admitted to distributing drugs, now that's a much more serious charge. It remains to be seen on what the charges NCB will put against her. It will be interesting to note after her being taken for a checkup at the government hospital, when she's taken to the magistrate, what are the charges that will be pressed against her, and whether she's been sent to the judicial custody or to police custody.
Right, Vivek, stay on with us. What we're being told at this point in time is that the final stage or phase of the interrogation is underway at this point in time. Riya has been taken in custody. Tamal Saha joins us now. Tamal, not just the WhatsApp chats, you also have statements given by the drug peddlers like Zaid Vilatra, Basit Parihar and Shovik Chakravarti himself that all point out the fact that Riya Chakrabarti was giving them some sort of instruction as far as procurement is concerned. And her own admission, in fact, of consumption.
Well, Swati, the most important part that NCB had been trying to probe and understand was the criminal conspiracy part. The criminal conspiracy that possibly had led into the making of a syndicate. Criminal conspiracy that has also led to abetment of committing an offence. And these are the sections, these are the, these are the aspects that NCB had essentially probed into while focusing on Riya Chakrabarti. Why? Because in the past 15 days, there had been more than 10 people who have been arrested. And all those people, in their own sequence, have led to one connection after the other, leading to Riya Chakrabarti. First it was Shovik Chakrabarti, then Samuel Miranda, then Dipesh Sawant. We also have Anuj Keshwani, and all these arrests indicate that they possibly have worked in close coordination, in cahoots with Riya Chakrabarti, because it cannot be a mere coincidence that all these people who have been probed and have been arrested have taken names like Shovik Chakrabarti and Riya Chakrabarti. There are digital transactions, as many as 12, in which Riya Chakrabarti's card details were ingested, even though it was the darknet. There had been several transactions which Riya Chakrabarti, as per sources, failed to in a way explain as how did they happen without her knowledge. She is now maintaining that drugs were procured, drugs were brought, drugs were bought and brought inside Sushant Singh Rajput's house.
Right.
But the larger issue that NCB had been trying to focus on as whether Riya Chakrabarti had indulged in transportation, in procurement, in alleged peddling of drugs. And you also learned that Riya Chakrabarti, Shovik Chakrabarti, because of their proximity and access to high-profile celeb parties, have given out names who allegedly too have indulged
That's an
in
important
procurement.
point to say,
and
because day 3, of course, also came, Siddhant, if I could come to you on this, also came with yet another flip-flop of Riya admitting, first of all, that she did consume drugs, adding a caveat suggesting she only did it at the behest of Sushant Singh Rajput. What I'm more interested in right now, Siddhant, is the fact that what charges will be slapped against her if today that detail could come out right now. There is a possibility, we are being told, of the NCB briefing the media as well. When is that likely to happen?
Well, you know, NCB Madhav is going to brief media at around 4:30. Her arrest would be in the second FIR filed by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and she has confessed both for procurement and for the consumption of the drugs. At this point in time, the top officials are confirming to us that the process of arrest have started. The arrest memo has been given to her. This we can put out for our viewers. At around 4:30, she will be taken for the medical to a government hospital. This is also confirmed. Now, the fact is, she was confronted with those chats. She was also asked to give names of other people in the business of drugs, especially the B-Town celebrities, and on that basis, on her testimony only, the dossier has also been prepared by the Narcotics Control Bureau, those who are into the business of drugs in Bollywood. At the same time, she was also asked that was she doing it for herself, or was she procuring drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput? She has also confessed that it was not only ganja, but other chemicals also she used to do. So this is what NCB sources are confirming to us at this point in time. Now, any time from now, the official confirmation of her arrest can come. She is going to be taken out at 4:30 for the medical. She'll be taken for a medical at the same time. We are just waiting for an official confirmation. Once we'll get that, then we can put that out for our viewers. that Riya Chakravarti is in the custody. But at this point in time, the process has started. The process is going on. Arrest memo has been issued, has been given to her. Few signatures are left, few formalities are left, and after that, it will be officially confirmed.